In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best backpacking cookware set that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 5. MSR Quick 2 System. The MSR Quick 2 system is similar to the MSR Ceramic 2-pot set. It lacks the non-stick ceramic coating, and it includes 2 bowls and 2 mugs to make a complete mess kit. We loved the huge volume of the large pot and the easy-to-use strainer lid. Though we did notice more sticking and hot spots compared to the ceramic 2-pot set. The combination of large plates, bowls, and mugs that nestle inside the pots make this an easy-to-use system for 2 backpackers. This set was much harder to clean than its ceramic counterpart. In our mac and cheese test, this set was one of the hardest to get all the cheese gunk scrubbed off of. Number 4. MSR Ceramic 2-pot set. After the Primus PrimeTech, the MSR Ceramic 2-pot set was the best at quality cooking. Its non-stick coating worked incredibly well, was easy to clean, and never had any hotspots or issues. It was quick to boil water, too. Though it was also one of the quickest to lose that heat. The large pot got dinged up after a few uses. This set doesn't come with any sort of stuff sack or cover to add any protection, and the thin aluminum seemed to take on minor dings and scrapes easier than other sets. The kit is simple, with 2 pots, a lid, and a pot gripper. We like the style and design of the included pot gripper. It's easy to use and always felt secure on the pot. Though we have a minor gripe, removing it required pushing down to pop the handle off, which can be difficult while the pot is balanced on a backpacking stove. Number 3. Primus PrimeTech Stove Set. This set comes with 2 pots, one a simple anodized aluminum pot and the other with a heat regulator and a non-stick ceramic coating. The heat regulator took almost a full 30 seconds off the boil time. It had water at a rolling boil in around 2.5 minutes. The only negatives we had with the Primus were its price and bulk. There's not much room to nestle anything inside when it's all packed up. It's also heavy. Even if you leave 1 pot at home, you're still well over 1.5 pounds. This isn't the set to bring for long days and weight-sensitive objectives, but for base camping or serious backcountry chefs, the Primus PrimeTech is well worth the extra weight. Number 2. Snow Peak Multi-Compact Cook Set. The Snow Peak Titanium Multi-Compact Cook Set checked all our boxes for the perfect backpacking cookware. It's incredibly light, feels bomb-proof, and has sufficient volume to accommodate 2 hungry backpackers. There's not much in the way of bells and whistles with this kit, but it has everything you need. The pot took 3 minutes and 21 seconds to boil water, putting it in the middle of the pack. The water then stayed hot for 54 minutes. Cleaning it was simple. Even without a non-stick surface, it was easy to clean with just a splash of water. Number 1. MalloMe 10-piece Camping Cookware Mess Kit. The MalloMe is a popular budget option on Amazon, so we wanted to see how it held up against top backpacking cookware sets from established brands. While it has everything you need to get through a meal in the backcountry, it was our least favorite to use and finished at the bottom in our cooking and cleanup tests. We could hear the metal attachments creaking and straining in the fold-out handles, and it felt like we could almost snap the handles off with a little effort. Overall, we weren't impressed with its durability. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you buy one of the best backpacking cookware set. If you have any questions related to these cookware set, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.